Batisi TV, lawan Rashipi daka Frank Yamaha, dan Maxi Sports Scooter Aerox 155. Ringkat baka net foodish, ordar mapi, nginwan ramani, hakir dobyeng jompi.
Usharman jang jak bom, uba arwen ki sutunga ula pentip bagi jak bom, lembat ki nong snong ki basang basa hakaput ke jalan Meghalaya bat Assam. Kila Mudui the red petition sa Ïing kashari Halor ke MOU baya Pynbeit put kabalai soy Hapdeng Meghalaya bat ke Assam. Bat ke jing Mudui mukot duma gade Halor ki kot kisla bagi dan mat pensisha bagi Meghalaya kala dan lau jong put Assam.
Kajing kami nanti kejongi kalong ba ngin file ka petition sipo Supreme Court. Hari hobna Julai USM melem jirang nong acting CM nong spong buat usada nong lang kilai sa Supreme Court. Bahade magilala sa Supreme Court ni dang Hapdeng kajing pengkrai ki court kislah ni dang pengkrai ka petition ki again dong. Ni yo e kajing tip ba ka Supreme Court kala reject ya petition. But ka pha eki ban lecha Meghalaya High Court. Halor kani kanong rim ni i bagi CM man kani kila file tambah kalau bagi file tam samut biang hi. Te halor kanong rim pada bangi ngila asyam Meghalaya ban file ke petition ngiro ngila file ke petition hakan negatiyo pula ada. Hagas ngi ba but la list ya ka kumka writ petition number 502 of 2022. Which believe here realistic. Kani ketika ayo jumpa High Court. The case number ketika 1 WP in bracket C stroke 502 stroke 2022. Te hadu penginjau ikan ni 4 allocate ya ka case haga court ndai hadim pada ngi sutu ba kasorkan Meghalaya kala file ya ka appeal haga tu case jong kisim kala file ya ka appeal sa division bench but haka si Friday la mention ya ka case po division bench but la community ba in place ya kani haka division hapo ka vacation bench tang sula play yang ka court hakini ki hobna January wat la kadai ka positiro namar ka matter of urgency ka dan hi te ngi community ba nyo place ya kani ha khamat ka vacation bench. Nah, kuat membatang saya pi ba ni klem kuat ban lech ka kot klem da biang ki kot islah. Bun kila ya ki pai ba kam tam ki bam sutu ki bam tip ya ke ki jing sisa nga kuat mempercayai mentang sengi ba ngila ya tristom. Nga ban ai ka jing ai khule ya ka tim ka jong ki jong ba basuk lam khongwar advocate kong Agnes Duya advocate but legal paralegal assistant ni jongi ikong Rosa ba kila tristom rengkat bat katim ke jongi hadali nabar kamdai bangim don katim hadali ngidon rogi Supreme Court lawyers hapo ajing baik jong manusia uni Abhishek Manu Singri u Prasanto Sen senior advocate u Ranveer Singh advocate u yarap lagi bat kibai bat nalor kata kamtam kecing tristom jeng baras secretary MPSO ki balik merek kalen sodong ba penpoi ki kot kisla ba jana kamtam iba estancing jana nong bet i sedar jeng nong ba motumur iba la ai pun ki kot ki bela yarap haingi bat kadon ki cinjaru ndah boka ima ba motumur bat ki area ki pangin ya yu ngin saya pencah hit ke shwa bangan ya chi sakapang kani ka ka kopi jong red petition ngila trace ya ke history jong kaput usam nadu ka por paren kat news pa nyo pun real terter ngina airu iki notification jongga sarkar paren ka baki transfer ya kini ki areas napo ki himakasi siapa ka Kamrup district ya ka por paren ngila Kamrup ya ka jaka kamtam menta ba hadin ka jing tristam bat ka bor jong ublay ka bolo kurku ini ba ulai isnai ya ka apot jong gajai menreo ba ngiyo menta da ka jing tristam jong ba moina sing pelot MDC jong kanartiam konstitusi pemensua bangaklet api ya kane kasabut kabas kamtam ya ki jaka ki bangiladu kane kade kamap kabak praspa kandai penreu kabala draw kabala penmi da survey general jong British India kabagade ka way ni kinongrem kan ongi piang ne ka pasai ka way na kinongrem kabah ka kat kandai spa popular Hapdeng ka jing kren hiteshwar sakya au kapten sama ba hiteshwar sakya kila kren ya kane kum ka nongrem badon kamban simya kini ki pot sodong namar kini ki poi sado sarma ki poi sado gohati ki poi kalen sodong kamtam ya ke area ka baha ba ka block 1 block 2 kala kedo syai ba ka ha ba ka hills district kani swa bakin Pynbeit Haria bande kita hitam ki bakila le ka notification ba si siya kandai pa san puway kani kama kadi ka nuksa ka basay kadar manta kamtam ba kakatu kasengi ka bangila ya kenduk mo ba jana mga ngila ya kenduk yung additional director jong ka Meghalaya survey bau ong ni ki khasi jong ni ki bom judon ko dan sta ki bisya kam da kaktin bisya kam do ma hang ne nga ong i khemle ya ka homework ka jong piba bat ka sarkar MDA ro ka khemle ya ka homework ka jong ka nomor ba ki deliberations ki jinga kren ki jinga tai ki balong benia ki dei hakane ka report ka bakat nice pa propulai ka bangalungo balai ba ki pidiam ya kata nice pa katway te ka nice pa katway la de penyap daga resolution jong ka Meghalaya assembly baki ong don kam man pha siya ka central government bakan dry ka central government kani hakane ka propulai ka long detail hadu kata na suntra ba ito ipi ba kilong siya man siya kijongi kamtam nadu kapten sama ba bring ter ba lapang la de Pynbeit ya kajing trai kijongki kesebut kajing trai kijongki kisutho bamlong man kata ya ka aka kabala man kala ka dingba ka bantang ya kajai pendeu kijongi hanrei ka bang stunat ba hakani ka report ka map khat khandai spa khat praspa khandai pendeu kadai ka wei ka nongrim ka baki ki ong don kam nang pesu hanrei ngapai hang ni Assam ukelain cikelain tre ban accept ikati gila uno ni wan ra ikani ka map haka Meghalaya ikut badan buram macam ni ngam kwa ban lek ngam kwa ban kenthok ke ka bala ban long ka jing kenthok ka ba kata ka kes ke jong ni apa Meghalaya ikut namar ki ong bagadi sub judice hanrei nga syukwa ban pentip yu pai ba jong gari baka kam kala po ya kakut ngidon ka jing sanya ka bapura ya ka Meghalaya High Court man nilai I ba ka ni ka state ka jongi ladam don syuk ka Meghalaya High Court lakut menengi u modi u prime minister modi u ongkum do 1,000 crore la pelot iki surok ki national highway ki surok hapok ka ni ka state denam dena kapasusi ka lomba ka Meghalaya High Court ka kes kadang don Meghalaya High Court mar perok surok lajot lut perok surok lajot lut lain nang mi hajwai ni balai be ka kes hajwai ni be ka kes wat ka surok nong stand do last time train de kalenti jwai lain na ya kranchu kilenti po asar pai kai ka baja han raisan 1,000 crore la de palai tekani kadi kerukom trekam jom ka sarkar MDA ka balong threat copy paste ko mangal om chwa copy paste ya karai ka bak assembly kat kendai spa kat way karai ya ka boundary issue ka bala kentai ka assembly kidang pelong kam Ya kan ni pada kabadon lot kicing sisa. Kimi akren ni kan ni. Dia mentah haba pim tra akren ngin si akren hakut. Ngan pulih fitang yaki mat kiba. Ya ke prayer ke jumi. In the premises aforesaid, your lordship may be graciously be pleased to A. Declare the memorandum of understanding dated 29/03/2022 as violative of the constitutional provisions and in particular 6th schedule and be declared null and void. Declare all the executive actions taken by the government of Assam and government of Meghalaya pursuant to the memorandum of understanding MOU dated 29/3/2022 as null and void as having no constitutional validity. Ngan sa point sa constitutional validity. Direct the two government of Assam and government of Meghalaya to be restrained from diluting the areas covered by the 6th schedule by resorting to extra constitutional measure. Nomor kini area kini part and parcel of Khasi states. Khasi states fall under the 6th schedule. D. Direct the Union of India to appoint, constitute an interstate council under Article 263 of the Constitution to resolve the long pending dispute between the two states of Meghalaya and Assam in according with constitutional means within reasonable time frame or pass such other orders as your lordship may deem fit and proper in the facts and circumstances of the case. Ngandum lek saka detail nomor boleh kani kadang day ka deliberation kadang day ka ban ya saat kadang day ka ban ya Pynbeit ya pokok ngandum keren kiba na keren tangi ke ke bangi pan mani and pass the report pulai. The representatives of Meghalaya during discussion held the strong view that such an interpretation is limited in as much as de facto position would mean only the areas falling within the boundaries of the erstwhile Khasi and Jaintia Hills district and would be the territory under Meghalaya and not the areas known as the Khasi states as specifically mentioned in the Constitution. The constitutional provisions of the areas known as the Khasi state would be superfluous if the contention of the Assam side is accepted as correct. The Assam side stated that as this matter would necessitate interpretation of constitutional points, the matter may be discussed in a higher forum. Bale, the original description jonga Khasi Jaintia Hills district hakatokopor kadai ki erstwhile Khasi states but ki British area. Kabamot, without taking into consideration what has been transferred, the orders transferring the areas into the district of Kabruk, Hajisha, by the instrument of accession, they have become null and void. Therefore, the status quo as per the 1896 INSA, as per the 1896 map, stands. Nalor kata, kilaong ba, pi namar balik ka boundary jong Khasi states, ka boundary jong ka ayu, kadaiba in the original 6th schedule, ka para 20, ka describe iki boundaries, claim the don ka light no tang ya ka, light no hadim pada ki amen biang, nomor beli la ot, how kat kandai spot santuwe, la ot ya ka block 1, block 2, napo Jaintia district. The constitutional position is that, Hakapor balawan ke Indian Independence Act, Section 7. Hadim bala sign ke Section 7 ko all existing treaties and sanats with existing tribal chiefs or authorities would lapse. Tala lapse. So, the position, the status quo, ka restore ka status quo ante, ka pre-status quo, kamot before the British took over. Kamot the map of 1896. Kata-kata legal position. Now, habakiong the boundaries ka para 20 hagtukupor ya ka discussion kaong as per the boundaries of the Khasi and Jaintia Hills district and the Khasi states. Kata-kata position that has to be defined. Ndai tang kata the constitutional aspect ka bangi hapon very clear kalong ba we were included in India only by the process of the Instrument of Accession and Annex Agreement and Constitution. There was no merger. Hey, there was no merger. Therefore, the status quo ante at the period before 1896 and on the basis of the map of 1896 has to be the starting point of discussion. There can be no 2 points about it. Kamdan sudah kawigildi. Ni hapan discuss pa iya kan ika point. Namar hang ni lakdaw siya kini ila kasi details. But kila kentup lang niya ki kasi state sa 1896. Hindi bagi kilong outside niya ki kasi state. The whole of the district ka kentup ito. Hindi tang kata ki notification ki ba hadin ki 1878 ka notification. Ka 1921, kani haduk 90, this has been corrected up to 1910. Nang ta hakani lade kipan iba ka loop kapoy haduk sama river. That means this whole area comprises kadika di Khasi Jaintia district kibangi omata ki riboy ka Jaintia Hills tertari ke West Khasi Hills ke Bakta syatay sa malam kada kamay kuli wakta apo riboy district. Dengan kuat pun ke block 1 dan block 2. Ke block 1 dan block 2 kisah ka dengan notification kat tulai sebab sampai ke error ni. Ke paragraph 14 jong the 6th schedule ke prescribe badai bandon ke commission of inquiry. Suapa Pynbeit aja. Hatu kepor ngimpat don dis council do. Kaji kali ke jonga kalamba sanu kata ke report jong ke 1951 commission of inquiry. Kabau governor has to act as per the constitution kamta mau kuni eka tribal land ke jong. Hadu matang amios nguba manu ban kali where is the report of the inquiry commission. Kat kom ke tip ke jonga nomor kini kot kislah ki don cipo asa ngimpat yok lah tam mengidangi clear mataban yok itu 4 dep ke tu commission of inquiry. It is still pending. Hang jo popori ka block 1 ka 1957 survey ka don. Hang ni kuat banbu ba ka don saka report UAE heat USDO. Hang por pare. Ka don bat ngamanta kilishin. Ka don ngamanta ka bala indicate baro ki areas jom ka block 1 block 2 bagi haba po ka Jaintia Hills district. Hadu apa. Kunta ka ay ka mga don ka banong kalong ba the 1951 notification 13 April 1951 is in fact an illegal notification. Number nobody has been made aware of the commission of inquiry report. What did it say when they were going to transfer this? Kani ka report jong hit kade 1883. Kani kamdai tangka ka basuong ba Arwin. Kini substantial proofs bangidon ke ba ki areas ki jongi basu kini iki. Berkato ka mga sejong. Prahajar hatu 10,000 square kilometer. Lalai cho Assam. Usang Halor gitu nang tau soong. Ngin IP ka nemo. Ulong tek kumurong hayeng jonga. Usang ha kamra tia. Usongnya ngan sa IP ni kamra song kai jong pikan dia masuk ni. Tek kum da. Mdon mlat nang da. Mentah ke ka jing ka jongi kalomba ka sarkar MDA. Kala feeling totally. Ladangau riu pa ba ka jakbom ka private organization. Gila ban yo lut kini kikot. Kuno ka sarkar kam tip igini. Ki kreme le humba. Ki kreme puli kot men Kela yung menmit. Kata-kata kising kali ka bangyapan kali. Kung ki public representatives ni expect bakin krakot, kinuat ikajing sisa. Te, ngay igedon has katret, hado kan objek, hadian kata pada kela yung. Kata-kata kising kali ka ba, kipai ba kihapan kali. Nomor suapa pimi supai ba, suapa pimi kena buasa. Bila ada ben ompek kani kada kepusian ka jungi. Ya kata da kapupuram yung kapten sama kapupuram ba bring puram yung balapang terter kisi mister ki brother. Ki ki Ïing baik ki nong rem jong ka constitutional position ka jang ingadong jwa. Hakapor ba ka Chandrachur committee ka submit ka report ka jong ka Meghalaya claim priang nomor balik claim take into consideration ni ka constitutional rights ka jong ni. Therefore that report became null and void. Hagajo ka kamro khat kandas ba khat wai ka ba kini ki copy and paste ka MD government ka Shushim. It just took the recommendation 1911, copy paste, and then went into a negotiation with Assam at the mercy of the Assam government, at the mercy of Himanta Biswa Sarma. What is the result? The result is psychic terrorism. Balinga on psychic terrorism. Mukro, today is 1 month. 5 lives were lost. 6 with that forest guard who was accidentally shot by them. 5 of our people, precious lives of our people were lost underground. Their blood has flowed. It has soaked the ground. This is why I say psychic terrorism. You sit on our land. You encroach more. You shoot our people. And then you say that this is your right. Kata ika kapasat madam. Pi kini ika jaka ka jungi. Pi ong he ngin ai naka jaka jung pi ngin ai. Pi turbiang kiele persa gibri ka jungi. Pi siap yak beki ka pray ka snaw. Kadai ka psychic terrorism ka baka state of Assam, but ka MDA government they have placed us under. Nakuha kan saya kedar kani. Baka failure jong ka MDA government kalong, kalering kalong, syaba pala. Namar kata kadaw, ngakuha bagi paiba jong ka kasi jantia, ki paiba nyok rep, kin sotho ba, ngidon ki kot kisla, ngidon ka hop. Bat ngi hap banya teli banya le kani. Kajuro Garu Hills. In 1983, the discussion for Garu Hills was still going on. But why is it in the 12 areas identified for discussion, for agreement, for solution between Assam government and Meghalaya government, no consideration was taken of the questions of Garu Hills? Kini serious questions ki bagi hapan kali. Hikajing kalong ba when the right hand does not know what the left hand is doing, then the head becomes confused. Habang ketika mon gapti ketika kadiang kala ayu taka king janor. De namar kata kadaw banga poy biang sila to kapoy. Yes, they have been transferred by the notification of 1951. But the conditions of conflict, the conditions of refusal, the condition of right, kini kidang exist. Kabamut lada day ubah preston ukrakot. Haka ni ka prapulay lada lead down. Kikran ni ka transfer. Lada keren dai. Tambah ki ong in the meantime kan lek ka survey, kan don kata ka examination of documents, kan don kata ka proses mo kan ya. In the meantime, both governments will exercise their authority for development works where ya ka convenience yung kita kifay ba lari ki kuwa balay sa Assam kabiyan kuwa banwan siya ni kira kala ikata. Now categorically by his statement, the Deputy Chief Minister, with due respect to him, has shown his ignorance of the Constitution. He has shown his ignorance of the ground realities. He has shown an ignorance of the 5 principles they have set: historical perspective, administrative convenience, ethnicity, desire of the people, geographical continuity. Desire of the people is very much there. He should not have made that statement. You see, because you are violating your own principles, which you have set. Today you speak one thing, tomorrow you speak another thing. This is not leadership. This is political convenience. Political convenience which is party-based. only for the sake of winning elections. Politics is not only winning elections. Politics is not only government there. No, politics is also proper administration, proper defense of the right of our minority people. I just want to tell Pak Preston that if he does not have the papers, if he does not have the administrative capacity to complete this task, you please allow us to do it. You please allow us to do it. Because this question is a question not only for the present generation of Meghalaya, it is a question for the numerous unborn generation that will come. Hajing sisa ngan ongi pi ka ika bangi kran mangi menta. Kadai ka ika ba ki rangba ki jongi kila dap ya thar kila dap ya ther kila dap ya perkhat bat ka shulong no baka Assam ka pene. Retransfer of Block 1 and 2 of Karbi Anglong district. It was pointed out by the Meghalaya side that the meeting of the Chief Ministers of Assam and Meghalaya held on 10 September 1971, it was agreed that in deciding the issue, the comparative population of Mikir's Jaintias should be accepted as guiding criterion. Therefore, it was further decided that the population figures according to the census 1951-1961 of Mikir and Jaintia Hill population of these two aforesaid blocks be corrected. However, not much progress can be achieved in that direction so far. Kita pendekte, sutrai tangdekte, subsequent government. Habal ong yang kata, ka report hit kata. 1898 kala indicate clearly where were the Karbi villages and where they were not. Where were the Jaintias, the Lalungs, the non-polluted, ter kidon lorani. Sakaway, I want to tell my Karbi friends, I have spoken about this on many occasions. The Karbis also have been victims of victimization of the Assam government. Their homeland is Kaziranga, the Lumding Valley. They were uprooted from there and pushed towards our side in order to suit the political and administrative exigencies of the government of Assam. So I am requesting them, take a look in the proper perspective. What is ours is ours. What is yours is yours. But Block 1 and Block 2 is not yours. Categorically, I am placing it on the basis of documents. On the basis of the 1896 map. It is not yours. And in fact, if you go to the point of right, the 1951 notification itself speaks. They had to transfer it out of Jaintia Hills. If it was Mikir Hills or the Karbi Anglong, why did they have to transfer it out of Jaintia Hills? So the 1951 notification itself speaks. And we have to strike down the 1951 notification. And then later on, let us see a policy of give and take. It's not only, you said, Piongkat no teligis, no? 22 is not 22. With due respect to the Chief Minister, to the Deputy Chief Minister, it's not 22. The whole contingent of villages is around 89. If you take proper... Huh? During Ike Maulong's Chief Ministership, I forgot to mention Mr. Ike Maulong. This was ascertained that there are about 89 villages. Block 2. That is not taking into consideration Block 1. Mantan ngasko don bayatu ki ong ba kiwan ki mukro panyakran the QBP Chief Minister ta. Ni ong kumno kan. Kakam kanya kumno kan ba. Nda ong panyakran di kayak ke M ta QBP ta. Kata telah jenjar kan. Pi ki propose kum apa Block 2 banbu ika border outpost ha terso. Kamamot you are accepting that the border is at terso. You are giving more land. Chief Minister Conrad Sama one inaugurate apa bertu. That means you have removed the border right up to Bartu. You are in fact accepting the contention of Assam that Mukrok is within Assam. They should have put it in Mukailo. Ya kata ngan ongipi balay. How is it that you have allowed that road to be built by that Har company who built that road? They built it up to Mukailo. Is that not the natural boundary? for now, before we settle all the retransfer now. Is that not the natural boundary? Then why you have brought it to Barto? Simple question. Hey, katuga surak ka Kisna gidhari. Kapoy hado mo kayo. Mga bala stay. Hang to kasurak Meghalaya ki ong kani kut ka Meghalaya, te dang bah kasurak. Tang supoy te Assam kala. Da kasurak kala. Ta balikim lada ka ayu ta balikim pukut. Hapo mo kurok ni hapo Barto. Kumno ki yo ban Kisna do stay lakam de jaga Assam, jaga Meghalaya. Ta balik pibo pada polis opos ya. Tapi number one galong gani. The question of security, the question of development in the border area is a very sensitive, is a very legalistic, very complicated in a legalistic way. Tama kasulong na utang ni. Keeping a border outpost over there, kalong ba, it should give security to our people. But you cannot give security if you are keeping this border outpost far away and you are afraid to come face to face with the Assam police. No, retaliation, that is another issue. But the point is that just by putting it there, the people pull it into Assam langsung tu long here kai. People chat they sejauh tu Assam la arkia. Kita ipai. It's just a political stunt. Mana bekenjat yang CBI nama dia. Mendai garai jong ke kabinet. Mana ketua ngaladap keren ni kata. Mendai garai jong ke kabinet jong Meghalaya jong ke MDA, ke sarkar MDA ke bekenjat ya ke CBI siapa? Balai tang suwan na Delhi balai siapa garai ban khot biang ke CBI. Ultimately it becomes just a political eyewash. He could have taken the decision a long time back. As soon as he arrived, he could have taken the decision. He said, okay, come, let us sit. We have to bring in the CBI again. Let us take a decision. Why has he not taken the decision? Is it only for political mileage that he announces in Delhi that we are agreeable to the CBI inquiry? This is a question that they have to answer. Kihapan jubab ekani, kadai tang kamkai. Bahang tay piong we are agreeable tang suong himanta biswasama. Yes. Pinapoy ne pre piskap jar. Ka CBI ka jing thok bria ka CBI kala jor pla. Bagi om bakade ka tool jong central government ba jong ka kamtam ka BJP ki om bakade ka tool ban haras ban le ki kicai kam enforcement directorate ba jo. De menta ka sistem ba yang ngandon ka confidence ba ka to ka CBI inquiry can come into any this thing. Nomor 5. P ladaki ong to the limited investigation of pinpointing responsibility, yes. Bangating kalong ba ikiyo kiyak taat pada sa kakambonar. Kata-kata kicik-tik macam mana? For the limited purpose to investigate who was at fault, what was the fault, how they to establish that fault. Kamlele. Ngating ba yo kajingwan ka CBI kan toket kan ralut iki kampodar kan ralut iki ba kan long beneficial for Assam. Kata kajing ting aja. Ka kes kanum klaim dalam ngi yo ikot isla ki babiang. Demata ngi sutu ba kumakalong mentaru ngi nakaliang kajungi kan kata. Mendai nakaliang kakot, nakaliang kajungi ngi la persang ban thep ya ka kes ka ba klaim tam kat bangila. Karai jo kakot kata kasyong kakot nimdan e ban. Ka sakawai paderok ngakwa ban petip iki ba nginum syok thep. But let's say ngampak yo ekran begini perlok andre let's say yo kalau ada kepor bagi nyami madandro namar ngila sutu iba lemda ngi Pynbeit ya kan ke proses ke administration kan ke border kan ke corruption ke ke political process ka bagi yo ke sarkar thamai ka khat kendai spa ka arja arpulai te kini kijing nginang ya kenduk nak kapor te khamtam khnamba nginya pengkut ka haka surjang jing kermen nga ai kulai Christmas ro ibro nga ai kulai Christmas ba kajing kerku kodo kan wan nu blai ba kajai benriu kan nang klaim kajai benriu kan nang syahid but ngin ya persangkat balak ban man ra chwai ka jing tuli namar kumbalong menta kani ka psychic terror ka wiki le halor jongi kham pam ki kini ki chaka ki pata jongi kadai ke ai ka pundu thia pundu da bana kerpa ki kham tam ki tu ki ba empat dah suatu bahai kini ki kam ki jam ro ba kin pulut por ban puli kin pulut por ban wat ki jisha kin suatu biang yang thet ba jong ki jai bendeu bangi dei ke jai beri ko kerpang ba la dengi kelet ya kani hakata ka jing yasko mo ki yasko la long chakmat la long modern la long yu ngi kelet no ya kanong rim ko jong ko jai beri aje kini de stangkat no ngin salong merau nomor ba kinong pelong merau yang ngi kim dei tang kita ki buat na ba kita ki beri ki jong ki businessman ki be yo ban rung po sekretariat ki nong mi khmat ki bom juk rekod kino mi khmat ki ba ha jaka makin pulut por ya ka jing bha jing miat ka jing ya dai ka jai men reu ki pulut por ban banyak kerana ki kontrak banyak kerana kilan question kilan compensation ki ya pulut por ban ya tahu kita ki smart meter ki ya pulut por ya ka tahu kau ban ya penjak kau ter ki nambun ki tahu ngam kuat ban keren palat mentak sini mereka sulong nak ba na kalian ka jong iru ngi haban sim ka jingit kle man pun sotu ka ba bat ngin pun sotu
teng sudah tak banyak benrap ka to kan ni ka komia nanti joki politician joki ka ban kong ka bang ngi i ka jingkran ben dala de la de ngalap kinomi khmat ke ke MLA ra ko rom ke MDC jong ka parti NPP ra ko rom ki jong bagi dan kam shu ke history yang kelat history yo tak yo tidak menakan ni badak mai kendu besar bertrace mustang uang belum tak sing ke desingsti jong Wycliffe sih we kita pak wik tang kata di we sembo perkat bang pasat ya gitu persen ki bakaran lak ke di bawah kelat mai history ngai iya ka jingya nanti jong ke parti BJP ra ko borom ngala ong ro hak personal message nga pa si bahak ba si barnes ha ba kila i kendu himen ta beswa sama spasa hak beda bijing jam ko ki ong ba ka we di kitu ka balang konflik ka banga action ka jimut sa long ba ki ong bo himen ta beswa ong baraja ba ka proof sa ba kani ka mukro ka ha apo ka Meghalaya hapo askanta an wen no iki Assam forest kim lai ang khmat him ta beswa haka jaka begini ban ok ka way ka consensus ka demand jo ki long ba kwa ka BJP jo ka Meghalaya ban to kit CBI shapo Meghalaya ka kum ka jikwa jingi kwa ka NI ban to kit kabar kwa ka BJP ka jo ka Meghalaya badai ban transfer no ban weng no ya kan ka Assam forest ka badan hapok mukro sabar kita ban pedi kum kita ka demand ke bakilong sincere nam ta kari bise kan rio ha bakile yang thi ke akra ni ka ai nim snothu ka ai ka outcome ka bami yang tu ka pan ar ti ni teng bu jingkli kan balai benda ikan du ship mistar ka Assam atau boleh pun ikan du ikon dak sama kanil kalau ai ka ba ksa ka jingdom te kai ka bang i nakal tia jing pilsian tengah bu akan ikum ka apil kan ki political parties banai sim ka bu politics hak beri ke isu ngir ngim sim kran ben ya kan ono parti handangi kedau ya kai ka bang ilap ya jing sisia dang man hakatu phe kendu yu himata besua bat konra sangma ki batai sapang bandai ban maintain status quo kamot yaki development jia yu tak dang lai tayo menta hapo umsa lum derbasno wasam forest ula de kerek fencing la sriem kumba wasam Meghalaya la sno kumba de Bangladesh na klami i kai election nasi i bheri ski bakile ki police to ndege jing shot twat jing ki beri ro dengan klami i nang tu kami security action baba perstun luang ba kam dai ka jaga ka bahap semi khalia kani ka bang tham pejak si su ka mesibi je ben rio tina bu ahli kum ka jingkar pa bada suran kam sisa kum bala batai sermak jingi ngilong ki bala kloy men sisa kot sla ngan namla ban ong klam dai khlai kar pang se wat yo lalet nes kedua jeng play ba ike molong chief minister ka report ke jeng ba ike molong uba form ni ka bodar committee kalong ka pada ihon kumbal batai chairman mene pra tadi kisno ki ba po blok tu rai bo stun pro tak apa kat kum ki kot ka report jeng ba ike molong dan pra tadi kini ki ke nang ta sakwe dan ka message sa ka district council namar ka khendau ka itong khu ka jingpet ka jika ka itong khu ba district council so bah bakan fikir bahaya kan itu ngikwa da ko brom ba ki jaka jongi ki de bantan be bangi ba ka wamot kalong ba ka jaka ka balak penkup bo da ka sik sedel kan sa makom ba kalong ka MOU mata ka bangi fai persya ya ka MOU ka basain da ka gawungan buat Meghalaya Assam kalau persya ya ka sik sedel persya ya ka artikel ka bakhat saw persya ka artikel ka ba arfuai gitu kok dengan mata orang tweet inti bagar sikul sir da bapak ikan ke siap kan pet bahai kan ban bakala ya kan dia kata kabanta kabon ngala de blong wakting lendo aja ki masayong ngatip banando hadu kasnam khat khandai spa andu puai ar fotorik jujonori kadam ka jing prisya jong district council baka nongwa motamur ka ha po ka jing pet jong himasayong tinggal i bakadon untuk konflik bakile kai bandong transfer sewe kima menilai habakalek perahima kasih kamadan hanu lagi maro tende anda filai lek sepok kakut kapan Bishar ikut sela nalapet ikut sela ka kedau ka kerteng ke jong tekadir de kawet ki benta wat hak ba joy hakasnam khat khandai spa prapulai dak bakala hakakot ka bangyo wan puli kabut lapun sisa bahkan ke hap support Meghalaya. Tikini kiki kilong ke bagi dia hap ban Bishar ba ban nemle kelomar na lapoi support ke Ïing Bishar kan selam bakla. Namar ngingi kanong rem ba si ke jakaro kam de ban lai sekiwe pe ke jala. Bat ngingi num ku atami. Ke jom kiwe. Kita kilong ki support perkat ke bang sebu lekot ni. Bat kam de tangata ke bon ki ki bangadan ban bendak kendia. Bidan wat ki ipik jong senam arjan rio arjan yo. Kila bangai baka ulu beri jong Assam ka hap sa kahima nang wa matamor. Ka ipik adanda. Dan kam menyelesai kot sela. Sa ka Ïing Bishar ka seri ngin selesai kita kot sela. Ning bu ka api kan buat pestun 25 uang bom dan kot sela. Te kot kan yangi. Kot kan sim kharim. Kot kan yu sim. Sim rai. Nong tu khat kan yiki sim kisaraship ban lom ikot sela dikata kalau ka apil ke jongi hakari buat